Stacy, did an invitation come for me?
Invitation? No, it didn't.
Huh, well that can't be right.
Hello, Spooky.
Oh, hello there, Lifty. Wait, you got an invitation too?
Yes, I was at the harbor today when Posty delivered this to me. Cap's party sounds like fun.
I'm gonna find out what's going on here.
Spooky, where are you going now?
Bye, Spooky.
So I'm the only one he didn't invite.
It's just a small party.
It's Cap.
Did you both get your invitations?
We sure did. Do you think Posty's delivered them all?
Oh, please say no, please.
Of course. They all needed to be delivered this morning.
Oh, Cap, how could you? Okay, I'll give him one more chance. I'm going to go over there and open the mailbox. If there's something in there, I'll forgive Cap and forget about it and go to the party. Well, that's it for us, Cap. I'm over it. So you're having a party without me? Well, I'm not going to let you get away with it. You just wait.
We're off to the harbor, Mr. Wheeler.
See if you have any trouble getting home now, Cap. Oh, and if you can't get home, guess you can't have your party, can you?
We're here, Mr. Wheeler.
Thank you, Cap.
It's my pleasure.
Well, have a good day.
Take care now. I should get ready for the party. Woohoo! Where did all these logs come from? It's all right. I'll just take the tunnel. Huh? The tunnel's closed off all day. I'll have to go another way. But I can't go there, and I can't go that way home. I'm stuck here. Hold on, I can go by the seagull cliff. It's so high up and twisty. It's too hard to get up this cliff. Someone, please, I need help. I can't hold on for long.
Helly!
Polly, Cap's wheel is stuck in between the boulders. I can't hold on for long with all these falling rocks. Polly, hurry!
I know, Cap. I'll get you up. Hold on for just another second.
We're trying!
You guys, I'll go down and try to take off Cap's wheel. Once he's free, you pull him up.
Okay.
Roy, Amber, ready?
Ready.
Okay, I'm going to break up the rocks around his wheel. Hold still. All right, pull now!
Polly, you're okay.
I'm fine.
That was close.
I'm really sorry, Cap. I was mad because I didn't think you wanted me at your party.
I can't believe that you thought I would leave you out. In fact, yours was the first invitation I wrote.
It was?
You probably should have talked to Cap before you let your emotions get the better of you. There would have been no misunderstanding then.
Right.